So guys, here's the end result here. As you can see, this has gone into the Honda Accord 7th generation, which is 2004 to 7 model. Now, this car did have amplified speakers, and it does work with that sound system there. As you can see, it works with the steering wheel control. So you can see, go down, change tune, 1, 2. Okay, so I'll just keep the sound down today anyway. So as you can see, this is the home page. This is our DTC model, which is the comes in an 8-core processor, Android 12, which is lovely, just being released, and a 432 gig as standard. Now you can increase this to higher RAM if you want, if that's just easily done by choosing it through the options section of the website. We'll put the link down below in the description, and also our contact details, so you can always reach out to us by phone, live chat on the website if you want, or simply by email, or dropping a message into the comment section down below. So as you can see, this is the home page of this particular system here. As you can see, there's a few icons along the bottom here, which basically is your navigation, your Bluetooth. There's one there for changing the background colour. This one here is your radio, which is obviously what you heard before. As you can see, the radio station's name, so that does have RDS, before you ask any questions. Navigation comes preloaded with Google Maps on there. There's a Chinese map on there which we don't advertise it coming with, but I'm just going to set it to Google Maps today. I'll just select that one, confirm. So obviously next time I press the button, you would then, excuse me 1 second. So I'll just bring you back to this. Sorry about the shaky camera here. So obviously I've just set this to Google Maps here. So obviously I press that one there, Google Maps comes up. This is an online app, this, which basically does need a data connection. But an easy way of getting around this would be to either put a 4G SIM card into the USB via dongle, or you can also go down the route of using it through the CarPlay, the Android Auto app, which connects to your Bluetooth. So if you just go back to the home page here, show you your Bluetooth menu. Also, it's got phone book support, so obviously there's nothing connected on here today, but it does have phone book support. If we go into the applications here, you can see a lot of the applications also on the back end. So obviously you have things like car settings, which basically gives you vehicle selection here. So obviously automatic or manual, not much on that one, I'm afraid. If I just go to, let's have a little look here. It's got let's have a little look. As you can see, the Play Store icons on there. T-Link, this is your CarPlay and Android Auto app here, which obviously, if you look at a few of our other videos, will show you how it works. And also, yeah, just let you show the air conditioning. So as you can see, it works with all the buttons here. Lowering it down, if I was to adjust that, you can see it going up and down. Also, button panels down here, which you got the auto dual motion, you got the mode, the off, the AC buttons, etc. All them work in conjunction with the system. So I'll bid you good day, and I'll hope to see you soon with a few more videos of our installs. Take care now, bye bye.